Welcome to the Colorado Springs Health and Fitness Expo.
An event like this is crucial because it gives awareness to both health, fitness, as well as things like suicide prevention.
The sheer volume of folks that we get to bring through this area, all the things that lend to a healthy, fruitful life are happening here at our Fitness Expo.
There are so many amazing businesses as well as the community to learn about health and wellness. It's definitely something you should check out.
We see the statistics every day about how many veterans we lose daily to suicide, and we're out here to just spread the word of how important it is to get connected within the community, especially through events like this.
Important to come out first to support Pikes Peak suicide prevention, as well as seeing all the local health and wellness businesses around Colorado.
I think it's important for people to be at places like this for education. There's a lot of things that are always coming out. There's a lot of things that we're trying to do as a community and as a society.
We have partnered with Sandy for a few years now on the Expo, and we do it because we're a healthcare company and we believe in total health and wellness of our members. And if you're someone that's considering sponsoring the Expo next year, would highly consider it. It's worth your value.